where the sun scorches and the night swallows. In the heart of the desert, those who fear silence bring the noise. On Monday night, two timeless legions collide. For pride, for legacy, for dominance. As the blue and silver enter the Death Star, the silver and black stand ready. It's America's team versus Raider Nation.
Fires at the 10, reaches the 5, touchdown! Blocked up in the air and picked off by Max. Deuces goodbye. Picked off Raiders. One-handed grab on his back shoulder.
The battle begins now.